Hi there. In this video, I'm going to guide you how you can make a WhatsApp group. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp in your mobile phone. Now you can see three dots on the top right corner. Tap on that. Now you can see multiple options. Tap on the one at the top saying New Group. Now WhatsApp will show you all the contacts that you have in your mobile phone. Select the people you want to add in a group. Here I'm going to select some of my friends. Now tap on the green arrow at the bottom right corner. Over here you can name your group whatever you want. You can also add a display picture to the group from here. When you are done with the customization of your group, tap on this icon at the bottom right. Your WhatsApp group has been created. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to subscribe my channel to show your support.